Do you want to know how you can check your history in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can see your history in Google Translate. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on Google Apps and then click on Translate. Now you can see the history button which is on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click it and this is your history. If you have a long history, you can scroll down and you can see all of your history. So let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and open Google and then click on this three box over here and then click Translate. Now you can see history. Click it and this is your history. You can even save it as favorite and you can find it later. I hope this video about how you can see your history in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.